How to hide Instagram chat without deleting them. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skydeck Studio, and today's guide I'll show you how you can hide any Instagram chat without deleting them. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so not to hide your Instagram chat, simply go and open up the Instagram application from your phone, and from the home page go and tap on this DM option and get into the message section. And let's say I just want to hide the first chat from the list. But as you all know that there is no direct way that you can actually hide any chat from the DM section, but there is a little tricks that you can apply in order to hide any chat. All you have to do is just to open up the chat that you want to hide, and then go and tap on this profile icon at the top, and from the profile you'll get to see the option. You can tap on this and you'll get to see the option restrict. You can actually tap on this and the person will be restrict, and also the message will be temporarily hidden from the list. You'll get to see the person has been gone from the DM section, and this is how you can hide any Instagram chat without deleting it. But now if you want to add the chat into the DM section once again, then all you have to do is just need to tap on this request option here, and inside the request you'll get to see the chat is right here. You can tap on these, and inside the chat at the bottom right you'll get to see the unrestrict option. You can tap on this and the chat will get into the normal, and you'll get the chat option in the primary section right here. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.